Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you how to translate an infographic file from English to Chinese. So I've got the image file here, which is taken from a camera product on Amazon. As you can see, it's picked up the text, and let's just zoom in to see what we want to translate. So it's highlighting different USPs of the camera, so I'm just going to deselect those for translation. But we will translate this filter information here in the headline. So I'll click confirm. It's got that it's English as the from language, and we're going to translate it into simplified Chinese. Click translate, and there you go. You can see it's removed the text, so I'm happy with that. So I'll just click next, and there you go. It's brought in the Chinese text here. Let's compare with the original. So I'm just going to centralize it. I'm going to make it a bit bigger, bold it. Maybe we can go slightly bigger, 70. Likewise with this text here, I'm just going to centralize them, make them a touch bigger. So I'll make them all the same size. Let's try. Just so they're consistent. Okay. Just resize it. Right, I'm happy with that, so I'll just click export, and that's saved it to my computer. Fantastic. So that's how to translate a image from English to Chinese whilst keeping all the font and colour of the text the same and in the same place.